Hey you guys, it's your girl Glamazon Tam back with another video, and today's video is going to be on some DIY Chanel gloves. So I had seen these Chanel gloves drop a bit ago on Pinterest, and I was like, you know what, they look so easy to complete, so why not try to do it? I believe they're like $2,000 to $2,600. So I made these for less than like 40-50 bucks. Okay. So I went back to my hometown for Christmas, and I went to this old flea market I used to go to all the time. And odd enough, this is exactly where I found the materials I needed to make the CC earrings. Now it's so crazy. You can go to the beauty supply store, hair store, but they might not have the exact ones you would want. They might have the ones with the diamonds, but I were able to get these ones, and they're silver pieces, and they actually ended up working out perfectly. Also, if you guys are interested in getting the same gloves that I have, make sure you check out my Amazon store, because I will have it linked, and you can get all the things that you need over there besides the earrings or these little CC pieces. So as you can tell, they're earrings, so I needed to go ahead and break off the back of them. So all I did was kind of move the little earring piece back and forth until it just finally pops off, and I did that for all 10 pieces until they were all flat on the back. And then after that, I went ahead and used my nail drill. Now, originally I did go ahead and glue the CC pieces onto the gloves without doing this step, and they pop right off easily. And then once I went ahead and kind of damaged the part of where the CC would be actually glued to it, it works seamlessly. So you have to do something to like damage that enamel, I guess, so it's not so like easy for it to plop off. So you can use anything for that emery board. I just used my nail drill, and here's my E600 glue. And now I'm going to use these tweezers that I love because they just make it easier for me to get a grip on holding things when I actually have it inside of it. And I'm going to use this E600 glue that has this jewelry tip to it. You can buy it like that in the stores or on my Amazon store. And it helps it with easy precision, because one thing you don't want is a bunch of glue on it, because once you go ahead and smush it onto the glove, it's going to go everywhere, and you just don't want that because it's going to make it look really tacky, really messy. You just need enough to coat the back of it, and when you push it down, it doesn't spread everywhere. And I went ahead and completed that process with doing this with all the rest of the fingers on the glove. And it's starting to look so freaking good. I love these gloves. They're like my new favorite set. Like, you know, you got something that's like a subtle flex. I'm like, okay. And I told you guys I was going to bring more DIYs over here. So I just felt like this was one of the perfect DIYs to start off the new year. And everybody loved it on my Instagram. So I was like, okay, let me bring it over here. But that's pretty much the steps I did. I just repeated this process over and over and over again for every single finger part of the glove, and voila. Now, I know a lot of people are going to ask me again where I got the CC pieces, but you can go to your local beauty supply, hair store, your flea market, or anywhere like that. These pieces are not cheap, because you got to think, if you're buying a pair of earrings, that'll probably be $10 or more, and then you're having to buy 5 sets. So you have enough for each hand. But I mean, if you want to look for a discounted rate compared to what it's actually going for on the website, then girl, you better go ahead and do what you got to do with this. Okay. So you guys, let me know what you think about this. And if you have some more little DIY projects you want me to try out or do, let me know, because I would more than anything love to do them for you guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will definitely see you guys in my next video.